Justin Vicula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Cozumel, Mexico. The cool archway in the downtown area. See this star shape, many birds, and marine life in this section. This is the waterfront area, perhaps the boardwalk, the malecon, lots of restaurants and lots to see. The waves crashing on this end. A little beach area, some sand, lots of palm trees, and Christmas decorations. Recording in December of 2025, seeing lots here for Christmas and New Year's. Took a taxi from the cruise port to this downtown area, a short transfer, and lots of places with souvenirs, things to buy, things to see, pharmacy on this side, and some people ahead next to something in the water, maybe a turtle shell or a fish. We'll see as we get closer. This is night 3 of my 5-night cruise, or day 3 of the cruise with Margaritaville at sea. Nice experience so far. Get closer, you can see the waves once again. A little bit of a closer up. The ocean waters in the back. See some smaller boats. Looks like a tour boat ahead, and it looks like this area you can swim if you'd like. Some statues up ahead. Looks like people playing leapfrog. Kids playing leapfrog, the statue anyway. And we're getting closer. So it's not a turtle shell. It's not a fish. It looks just to be a boat on the side. And here's that statue. They're on top of a turtle. Some people walking along on the sand. And closer to the boat on its side. Looks like and looks like a pelican in the water. Will be nice to get closer to that. Hopefully not flying away. Oh, there it goes. See the big beak or bill just ahead. You can zoom in and get a better view of it. The white head and the wings spread out. Nice catch here walking in Cozumel. Some skulls, and see the white head of the pelican looking just ahead, and now seems to be cleaning itself. See some shark art as well on the boat, octopus, and more. About 85 degrees. Sweaty day to be walking around, but much better than the 30s or worse in Pennsylvania. Another shot of the pelican, and looks like another bird on the boat next to the side of it. You can see the white bird next to the blue art and the shark, the graffiti in the center. Cool area for bird watching. Getting up pretty close with the camera. Justin Vicula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Cozumel, Mexico.